Dear friends, I am happy that you are here. Today I will discuss about comfort zone. What is comfort zone? Whether an individual is working in a comfort zone, how to come out of it, and what are the disadvantages of working in a comfort zone. Often people are being criticized for working in a comfort zone. Comfort zone is a self-imposed demarcation where a person doesn't want to stretch beyond that point. Here we have to understand that it's not a physical delineation or physical boundary, but people get mentally fixed about that boundary. I will give some examples for better understanding. If a cyclone warning is given, the government starts evacuating all the people near the vulnerable areas. But some people, they are having pakka houses, they refuse to go immediately because they think that that is a comfortable zone to stay in their own pakka houses. But that may prove to be hazardous later on. And another example, if you are a businessman dealing with so many products, you do not want to add any innovative or new product. And another example, if you are a banker, if a known person with long track record approaches you, immediately you may tend to sanction loan. But if a new person comes without any familiarity to you, you may hesitate. These are the examples for better understanding of the concept. Famous psychologists Robert M. Yerkes and John Dee explained that comfort zone is a relative state of comfort where it produces standard level of performance. But they have explained that we need to experience certain level of anxiety by stretching beyond our comfort zone and stepping into other zone to perform better. That stage is called as optimal anxiety. When we step out of our comfort zone, we feel stressed out, but gradually we adjust to it, and for better performance, this sort of optimal stress or anxiety are required. Let us understand whether an individual is in comfort zone or not. Here in the comfort zone, the environment is very much friendly and very much familiar, no hassles. It is highly secured environment where one works. Here, the risk aversion will be more. If it is more familiar, they tend to take up that activity, otherwise, they will avoid it. The people search for excuses whenever they want to tread on a new ground or new business or new activity. They search for excuses rather than starting the work. People feel more anxiety and stress. For example, if an individual is more comfortable in working in his own office, never steps out of office, and he was, or if he is forced to meet somebody in an office, he may feel nervous and anxious. He may feel anxiety to meet new people. And another thing, always here the people search for the worst case scenario. The always they look at the worst side of the things. If an entrepreneur comes with a good proposal, it is a viable, technically viable and economically viable also or feasible, then they search for the negative points of that proposal. They imagine a worst case scenario where the unit may die down in no time. So these are the some of the points. When people are in comfort zone, they show deep apathy for learning new ideas or any creativity or any innovation, and completely they lack receptiveness to newness. If the new activity is there, that is not welcome here. And here, the people, when they are habituated to work in a particular environment, in their own culture, or where the language is their own mother tongue, or they have more familiar people to work with, they want to remain in such places and they do not want to step out of that place. Comfort zone is the greatest barrier to one's own productivity. Here, the individual may be having inner potential, but that cannot be brought out because of the limitations here. Here in comfort zone, no new activity, no innovations, or no creativity. And gradually, if the tendency persists, negativity pervades, and boredom prevails. If that particular individual is a team leader, then the people down the line also, they will also be habituated to that boredom, and they do not feel enthused and motivated to work and show better performance. So once we know that we are in a comfort zone, we have to make a conscious effort to come out of that or to stretch beyond the comfort zone. For that, we have to have self introspection, self discovery, and self awareness. We have to question ourselves why somebody is performing, why we are not performing. We have to analyze our previous year's performance in the business or profession, or our track record in academic record or sports or games. There we might have performed very well. So taking a cue from those best performances in the previous years or in our younger days, we can get inspired to come out of the comfort zone and to stretch beyond the comfort zone. For that, we have to have a vision, we have to nurture a vision what we want to be in 5 years or 10 years. Vision is the greatest driver of the growth. Be open to the new learning and new challenges. Accept challenges. And also, you understand that learning is a continuous process and you can learn from anybody. You make yourself teachable. Even you can learn valuable insights from the subordinates or a lower level employee. And here, to come out of the comfort zone, initiation is more important. You know, habit formation is very difficult. Gradually, with conscious effort, you have to make a progress. You stretch your comfort zone by step. At a stretch, you cannot stretch beyond your potential, but once you understand your potential, gradually you stretch. You go to another level where you are comfortable, then you go to another level where you are comfortable. But with an anxiety to reach the top, do not go beyond your scope. Sometimes you have to come back to your lower level also to understand what is happening and how you are performing. You interact with the successful people around you or with the peers or by observing the top people in the organization or top performance in the society, that also motivate you to come out of the comfort zone. Hope you have understood the concept of comfort zone, understand the genuine perspective and plan accordingly to stretch beyond the comfort zone and become a successful person in the industry, in the business or in the life. Thank you.